As clinicians, we bring high-quality evidence-based to clinical practice. Clinicians and healthcare professionals are highly trained to apply evidence-based practice, implementing the gold standards and established guidelines for safe clinical practice. But what if the healthcare industry at large operates on a completely different algorithm? From initial innovation and regulatory approval to final product launch and clinical implementation, the path a product takes looks radically different than the medicine we practice at bedside. We all know this pyramid inside out. It's the standard blueprint for ranking the strength of evidence, distinctly represented by quantitative metrics designed to answer. At its core, the quantitative side asked two straightforward questions. Does it work, and by how much? But while it's exceptional at measuring effect size, it often leaves us blind on the human variable. How about the quality of evidence? In essence, qualitative research asks, why does it work, for whom does it work, and under what circumstances? We talk about value-based care, predictive, precision, and personalization. Are we answering the inductive patient subjectivity into this research? To add icing on the top, how about mixed methods? Well, if you think that's a lot, we are not done yet. What about innovation? Why should we take this into account? Well, innovations impact how we practice, and it is coming at us much faster than we think. Major regulatory authorities have matured past initial position papers and transitioning instead to fully detailed, actionable guidance documents for real-world evidence. Today, these frameworks focus heavily on enforcing strict data quality benchmarks and standardized data architectures. While this shift might look daunting on paper and navigating this multidimensional spectrum feels overwhelming, we now have highly advanced evidence tools designed specifically to filter, synthesize, and weigh this complex data, understanding that these two pyramids exist in step one. Knowing how to actually critique a qualitative study, integrate into 510(k) regulatory submission, or use it to design a hospital treatment workflow is a completely different skill. If you're writing a thesis, designing a medical product or dental product, or leading a clinical term, I have broken down these steps as like a step-by-step evaluation framework.